Are you looking for legit and realistic ways to earn free USDT? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated video about the best free online earning methods that I know where you can get paid in USDT. So therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you my top 6 recommended options for this. So before I go over the options I want to show you, let's first set the expectations, because you will see on YouTube, you will see online in general, like many crazy claims where people claim that you can earn like hundreds of USDT every day just by clicking a button. So be very careful. Like, that is not realistic in general when it comes to making money online. Claims like that usually will end up scamming you, compromising you, different things like that. Be realistic. What I will show you here are completely free platforms you need to join, make some effort, do some small tasks, and it will not make you rich, but it's super fast and easy to get started. You can start earning right away, no matter your background. You don't need any specific skills, and then earn some extra money on the side. And on these particular platforms, then you can get paid in USDT. There are honestly not many platforms that are worth it that currently offers to pay directly in USDT, and I have checked and tested hundreds of different free online earning methods, but there are some that makes it super easy to quickly get around that, get it to USDT, and there are also some that currently do offer to pay directly in USDT. So I'll show you all those best methods that I have come across for this, explain how it works. It's not necessarily a prioritized list, because which of them are the best really depends on your personal preferences and also to a certain degree the country you live in. And you can just use one of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, all of them. That's completely up to you. So let's now get to the list. So the first option I want to show you is called Price Rebel, and Price Rebel is one of my favorite get paid to sites because it offers many different ways to earn. You can join from all countries. You can earn by taking paid service, paid offers, playing games, watching videos, many different things. And especially when it comes to crypto payments, they have made it very flexible. They pay out in many different ways. You only need to earn $5 to get paid, and then if you do it through BitPay, you can just join there, use that as an option when you withdraw. I also do have a full video where I show and explain more about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner there, and I also have a full tutorial of all these platforms I'll mention here written on my website with join links and all that, so I'll leave those below. But in short, you just follow the instructions they do in there via BitPay, and there you can then choose among many different types of crypto, including sometimes not USDT but then USDC, but sometimes USDT is also an option, and then of course also like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge, many different cryptos. So very flexible like that, and usually when you redeem you will get paid within a day or so. So the next platform is called Rewards One. It is one of the less known get paid to sites, but one that I really like, especially because of the payout option. It has many different ways to earn. You can join from all countries, and it has the most flexible payout option because in addition to just having many different gift cards you can choose from, and PayPal also, and also several cryptocurrencies, then it also has a custom reward option. So that means, for example, they don't offer USDT directly, but they have a custom reward. So you can just contact them and basically tell them any reward you want, including USDT, and then they will make sure to pay you that way. And you need to only earn $5 to be able to use that option. So it's very flexible like that. And you can then get paid into any crypto wallet you want. And speaking of getting paid, let's move on to the next option, which is actually also the sponsor of this video. So I just want to give a special shout out to them. So the next option here, as mentioned, is also the sponsor of this video here, Crypto.com. So extra shout out to them. Also, I do have an invitation link that will give you a minimum of $50 joining bonus if you live up to certain conditions. So I'll leave that below there so you can go and find that. But what I really do like about Crypto.com is that it is super user-friendly crypto app, also for beginners. And when you use these different ways to, for example, get paid in crypto, you need to have a wallet to take it into, and you can, for example, do that to Crypto.com. And the great thing about that is that just by having your earnings here, you can use what they call the Crypto.com earn section in there, and then you can earn passively like interest on what you have standing. And for USDT, they pay up to 4.5% interest just for having the USDT standing. It also has other ways where you can of course buy, sell crypto and claim free crypto, different other things. I have like many different tutorials about these different aspects. I'll leave a link below also to more tutorials about Crypto.com so you can check that out. When we are talking about getting paid in crypto from a platform that's completely free to use, we have to talk about free cash, because this is a get paid to site that has many different ways to earn. It has some of the highest paying offers and paid surveys, and you can join from all countries. And when it comes to getting paid, it has a very low payout threshold for crypto, as low as 50 cents, and you can also get paid via PayPal and many different gift cards. It does not pay directly in USDT, but it pays, for example, in Doge, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So you can, for example, take it into the Crypto.com app or any wallet you want to, and they pay basically instantly free cash. So you just get it into your wallet right away. And for example, if you could do it on Crypto.com, you just click a couple of buttons and then you change whatever crypto you get from free cash into USDT. So it's a super easy way to do that. The next option here is called Pawns, and this is both a website and an app you can use to both passively and actively. You can earn passively just by having installed, sharing your unused internet bandwidth in the background, and actively by taking paid service and playing games. The games are only available through the app, but you can use the other earning methods on the website as well. You only need to earn $5 to get paid. You can join from all countries, and you can choose to get paid in Bitcoin, PayPal, or different gift cards. So it doesn't offer USDT directly, but because the payout threshold is so low, and also because you actually do get a $1 joining bonus if you join through my invitation link. Again, I will leave links to full tutorials below at the top of each of those. You can find these joining invitation links that give special bonuses for some of these options there. I'll leave all that below. But then what you can do is you can just choose to get paid in Bitcoin into any wallet you want to. As soon as it gets in there, you can just do a few clicks, and then it can be transferred or converted into USDT or any other crypto you want to. The last option I wanted to go over is called Earn Not. It is not so well known, but the reason it is here on this platform is that it still offers quite a lot of different ways to earn, and you can join from all countries. And the reason that it's particular in this video is that it is one of the few get paid to sites that offer USDT directly as a reward. You need to earn $10 to be able to withdraw, so it is not too high a threshold. And if you want get paid to site that pays directly in USDT without having to convert extra, so this is one of the only ones that I've come across that actually does that. So as you can see, if you want to earn USDT without investment, there are some good options as long as you do it with realistic expectations. These options will not make you rich, but they are super easy to get started with. You can start earning right away and very quickly also reach the payout threshold to get paid. As mentioned earlier, also you can use as many or as few of these sites as possible. I will leave links below to full written tutorials I have of all of them, so you can find out more information about the ones you want. And also at the top of each of these reviews, you will also find joining links. Some of them will give special joining bonuses if you join through that, and it will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. Also, I will leave that invitation link and code for Crypto.com if you are not yet a member of that, so you can check all that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.